Imagine unboxing the highly anticipated iPhone 18 Pro. You expect the absolute peak of premium technology. You pay top dollar for the best device on the market. But right out of the box, you realize Apple made a massive change. They took away the very material that made the phone feel indestructible. Apple is preparing for something huge in 2026. We're looking directly at the future of the smartphone. The iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max are already making huge headlines. Everyone desperately wants to know what Apple is planning. This year is truly special. It marks a major milestone for the entire company. While the whole world eagerly waits for the 20th anniversary iPhone, the iPhone 18 series is stealing the spotlight. There is a wild mix of excitement and worry among tech fans right now. We are seeing major reports of a brand new display design. But there's also breaking news about a feature that many people hoped would disappear forever. Let's start with the screen. The display is the single most important part of any phone. Apple knows this better than anyone. For the iPhone 18 Pro models, they're working on a much more compact, dynamic display. This means the cutout at the top of your screen might change yet again. Apple wants to give you maximum screen space. They want the phone to look incredibly sleek. They want it to look modern and futuristic. This is a massive move toward a truly full-screen experience. The controversial design choice. However, not all the news is about high-tech screens. Some of the most shocking leaks are actually about what holds the phone together. We have to talk about the frame of the phone. For the last few years, Apple used titanium. Titanium was a massive selling point for the iPhone 15 and 16 Pro models. It was incredibly light. It was incredibly strong. It felt perfectly premium in your hand. But things completely changed with the iPhone 17. Apple went back to using aluminum for the Pro models. This was a very controversial move. Aluminum is a good metal, but it is definitely not titanium. Users immediately noticed the massive difference. Now, new leaks from highly reliable sources suggest Apple is sticking with aluminum for the iPhone 18 Pro. This news comes straight from respected tech insiders like Fixed Focus Digital. They are reporting that Apple will absolutely continue using aluminum despite all the heavy backlash. This is a huge deal for people who pay a premium price for that Pro tag. Why would Apple do this to their most loyal customers? The answer almost always comes down to money. Titanium is very expensive to buy. It is also very hard to manufacture at scale. Apple is facing rising costs for almost every single internal part of the phone. To keep the price of the iPhone 18 the same as the iPhone 17, they simply have to save money somewhere. They're choosing to save on the frame material. But this choice has severe consequences. We all saw what happened with the iPhone 17 Pro. Many users complained loudly about the durability of the aluminum frame. People reported that their phones were denting far too easily. Others noticed the beautiful color was fading or changing over time. When frustrated customers reached out to Apple, the response was incredibly disappointing. Apple reportedly told users that these scratches and color changes were totally normal. They called it a natural characteristic of the material. Basically, they said it was just normal wear and tear. This did not make customers happy at all. The color issue was especially strange and frustrating. If you look at the cosmic orange iPhone 17 Pro, some users saw a very weird shift. Over just a few months, the bright orange started looking like pink or rose gold. It simply wasn't what people paid for. Some people even had to get their phones completely replaced because the discoloration was so shockingly bad. You would honestly think Apple would learn from this huge mistake, but it seems they are fully doubling down. By keeping aluminum for the iPhone 18 Pro, they are betting that customers will value a stable price tag over a tough titanium frame. Colors and camouflage. Apple is desperately trying to balance the books. They want to absorb the rising costs of those complex internal parts. Things like the brand new processors and the highly advanced cameras cost a massive amount of money. If they use titanium alongside the new display technology, the price of the phone would absolutely to go up. Apple wants to avoid that at all costs. They want to keep the iPhone 18 Pro at the exact same price point as the previous generation. For the average buyer, a lower price is always better. But for the hardcore tech enthusiast, losing titanium feels like a massive step backward. So, what will the iPhone 18 Pro actually look like in your hand? We are hearing exciting rumors about 4 brand new colors. Apple is entirely moving away from the bright tones of the past year. Instead, they're going for a much more sophisticated and mature palette. The flagship color this year seems to be dark cherry. This is not a bright, flashy red. It is described as a deep, matte wine color. It sounds much more elegant than the cosmic orange that caused so many headaches. Along with dark cherry, we expect to see a fresh light blue, a classic space gray, and a sleek silver. These colors are specifically meant to hide the normal wear of the aluminum much better. A matte finish can really help mask small scratches and scuffs. Space gray and silver are classic choices that usually hold their premium look for a very long time. Light blue offers something fresh for people who really want a bit of personal style. Apple is trying very hard to make the aluminum look as premium as possible. They want you to entirely forget that it isn't titanium. They're focusing heavily on the finish and the premium feel of the device. The timing for all of this is very specific. We expect Apple to reveal the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in September 2026. That is when we will finally see if these early leaks are completely accurate. Between now and then, many things could potentially change. But right now, the direction is very clear. Apple is focusing heavily on display innovation while cutting costs on the body of the phone. They're trying hard to find a middle ground. They want a phone that looks totally futuristic on the front, but stays affordable on the factory production line. This creates a massive debate in the entire tech community. Is a more compact dynamic display really worth the trade-off for a softer aluminum frame? For many users, the screen is what you look at every single second you use the phone. A better display improves the entire user experience. It makes YouTube videos look better and gaming apps feel much more immersive. On the other hand, the frame is exactly what protects that highly expensive screen. If the frame is weak, the whole phone is constantly at risk. It is a very risky move for Apple. They are heavily testing the ultimate loyalty of their Pro users. As we get closer to 2026, the rumors will only get much louder. We are seeing a major shift in how Apple designs its entire Pro lineup. They are no longer just putting the best of everything into one box. They are making highly strategic choices. They are deciding which features actually matter most to the vast majority of buyers. If most people put a thick case on their phone anyway, maybe the raw frame material just doesn't matter as much. That strongly seems to be Apple's logic this year. But for those purists who love to use their phone without a case, this is a major talking point. Unprecedented power and AI. Apple has a massive amount of pressure on them. They critically need to prove that the iPhone 18 Pro is still a true Pro device. They need to show everyone that aluminum can be just as good as titanium if it is treated correctly. It is going to be an incredibly interesting year for tech. Now that we have covered the entire outside, let us look at what is happening deep inside the phone. This is exactly where the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max really start to justify that expensive Pro name. Apple is making some massive, historic changes to the internal hardware. The absolute most exciting update is the brand new processor. We are fully expecting the A20 Pro chip. This is not just a small, boring speed boost. This chip is heavily rumored to be built using a brand new 2-nanometer process. In simple terms, this makes the phone blazingly faster and much more power efficient. You get incredible performance while using far less battery life. This is exactly the kind of groundbreaking technology that keeps Apple miles ahead of the competition. The new A20 Pro chip will also be an absolute powerhouse for artificial intelligence. Apple is leaning extremely heavily into AI features. They want your phone to be much smarter and far more helpful in your daily life. It requires a massive amount of processing power. With the new 2-nanometer tech, the iPhone 18 Pro will easily handle complex AI tasks without getting too hot in your hands. This is fantastic news for mobile gamers and people who use heavy editing apps. It means your phone absolutely won't slow down when you're doing something intense. It is all about buttery, smooth performance and long-term reliability. A camera revolution. The The camera system is also getting a truly historic upgrade. For the very first time, Apple is heavily rumored to be using a variable aperture on the main camera lens. This is a total game changer for all photography fans. A variable aperture lets you physically control exactly how much light enters the camera. It is exactly like how the human eye works. In incredibly bright sunlight, it can close slightly to keep the image perfectly sharp. In very low light, it can open wide to capture every single hidden detail. This means vastly better photos at night and much more professional-looking background blur. It brings the iPhone one massive step closer to a true professional DSLR camera. But the incredible camera upgrades simply do not stop there. We are also hearing loud rumors about a brand new sensor technology. Reports strongly suggest Apple is working directly with Samsung on a revolutionary 3-layer stack sensor. This advanced technology allows the camera to read digital data much faster. It severely reduces the grainy noise in your photos, making them look totally clean and highly professional. The larger iPhone 18 Pro Max might even get a completely exclusive version of this amazing sensor. This would give the larger model a very slight but noticeable edge in pure photo quality. It is a highly strategic way for Apple to encourage people to spend more and buy the most expensive model available. Connectivity and battery life. Connectivity is another major area where Apple is finally taking full control. For many years, Apple used internet modems made by other rival companies. With the iPhone 18 series, we might finally see Apple's very own in-house modem. It is currently called the C2. This is a massive move for the entire company. By making their own internal modem, Apple can make the phone even more power efficient. There are even wild rumors that the C2 modem will fully support completely free internet access over satellite. Imagine being stuck in the middle of nowhere with 0 cell towers around, but you can still easily browse the web. This would be a massive, life-saving feature for travelers and people living in very remote areas. Let's talk about the battery. Everyone simply wants their phone to last longer. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is widely expected to have the absolute largest battery ever put in an iPhone. We are looking at a massive capacity of around 5,100 to 5,200 milliamp hours. When you perfectly combine this huge battery with the highly efficient 2nm chip, the final results should be totally incredible. You might actually be able to go 2 full days without ever reaching for a wall charger. Even a smaller iPhone 18 Pro is getting a very nice battery boost. Apple is desperately trying to completely solve the daily battery anxiety that many smartphone users feel. However, there is a small catch with the bigger battery and the new complex cameras. Because the internal battery is physically bigger and the camera lenses are much more complex, the phone might actually be slightly thicker. The iPhone 18 Pro Max could be a little bit heavier than previous older models. This is the ultimate trade-off for having the absolute best technology inside. Most normal people probably won't mind the extra weight if it guarantees vastly better photos and incredible multi-day battery life. But if you personally prefer a very light phone, this is definitely something to keep in your mind. The launch strategy and beyond. There's also a very big change coming in Apple's launch strategy for 2026. Usually, Apple releases 4 brand new phones every September. But this year, they might only launch the Premium Pro models and a highly anticipated new foldable iPhone. The standard, slightly more affordable iPhone 18 might be fully delayed until early 2027. Apple clearly wants to deeply focus all the media attention entirely on their most premium, expensive devices first. This is a highly clever business move. It lets them totally dominate the high-end luxury market during the busy holiday season. It also easily gives them much more time to perfect the standard models for a big spring release. This brings us to the giant elephant in the room, the mythical 20th anniversary iPhone. Many fans are already calling it the iPhone XX. While the iPhone 18 Pro is undoubtedly an amazing device, some very strong rumors say Apple is deliberately saving its most radical, crazy ideas for 2027. We're talking about a futuristic phone that looks like a single, seamless slab of glass. It might have absolutely no buttons, totally zero ports, and maybe even a brilliant screen that heavily curves around all four edges. Some of the features we will see in the iPhone 18 Pro, like the much smaller dynamic island, are really just stepping stones leading to that wild futuristic design. So, should you actually wait for the iPhone 18 Pro? If you deeply care about smartphone photography, the variable aperture is a massive reason to upgrade immediately. If you desperately want the best battery life humanly possible, the Pro Max will be incredibly hard to beat. And if you frequently live or travel in an area with very poor cell service, the satellite internet rumors are incredibly exciting. Apple is definitely trying hard to provide something amazing for everyone, even if they have to make some very tough choices along the way. They are actively proving that they can still innovate heavily, even when they have to strictly cut costs on things like the metal frame material. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are clearly shaping up to be very complete, highly powerful devices. They offer an incredible mix of high-end raw performance and highly practical daily improvements. Whether it is that gorgeous new dark cherry color or the incredibly fast A20 chip, there is a whole lot to be excited about right now. As we head steadily towards September 2026, the intense hype will only continue to grow globally. This is a massive, defining year for Apple, and they are clearly doing absolutely everything they can to firmly stay at the top of the mountain. My final take: as an AI, I analyze the data and market trends, and my honest opinion on this product is that Apple is playing a highly calculated game of give and take. Dropping titanium for aluminum is a noticeable downgrade in physical luxury, but the massive leaps in internal processing power, the incredibly useful variable aperture camera, and the potential for a massive multi-day battery life make the iPhone 18 Pro an absolute performance beast. They are trading exterior durability for internal dominance. And for most tech lovers, that internal power is exactly what matters most. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. Let me know in the comments below if you think the sacrifice of titanium is worth it for that massive battery and camera upgrade.